So I just finished warming up my milk. I might have made it a little too hot, but it'll still work. So what you want to do is just get your tablespoon. You only need like 4 tablespoons of vinegar or lemon. You don't have to do vinegar and you don't have to do lemon. You'll have to do one of them though. So this is what I'm using. Not 100% sure if you can see or not, but yeah. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Now I'm not gonna add lemon yet. I'll probably do that later on. So all you have to do is just mix it, and it should do something to the milk. So what do you think is going to happen to the milk when I add the vinegar? Okay, so the reason why the milk kernels, why the vinegar kernels the milk is because the acid on the protein causes the protein to coagulate. Yeah, coagulate. Because the acid is actually cooking, In which case the protein stays. When the vinegar and the protein mix, it kernels. So when it kernels, it's basically making a dairy version of eggs, like scrambled eggs, but these eggs aren't edible. Well, they are, but they'll probably taste really gross. So once that's done, you need your straightener and your measuring cup, or any cup that you don't technically use, because this is gross. So what you're gonna do is just pour your curdled milk and your liquid, like vinegar and stuff, onto the straightener, and then you just clean the rest out, and then just make sure everything's just smushed and the liquid is into the cup so. See, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just squishing the liquid into the measuring cup. So yeah. Okay, once you're done doing that, you will need a paper towel in your cup, not your cup, your bowl, and spoon, and whatever you have. And well, you'll have to have your plastic in your straightener. Okay, so the liquid that's in the freaking into the measuring cup, you don't need, that's just extra stuff. And all you need to do is just put your homemade plastic onto the paper towel and let the moisture sink with the paper towel. That's all you need to do. And then all you have to do is just let it air dry. And then once that's done, you don't technically need to let it dry all the way, but you do need to let it dry so it's not too hot, not too mushy, I guess you could say, but enough that you can make homemade dice, which is exactly what I'm making now. What I'm making out of milk, vinegar, milk, or lemon juice is homemade plastic that you can technically make dice out of. Yeah. So once that's done, All you have to do is just let it air dry, like I said, and then once it air dries, I'll show you what